Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we will try to learn about limit instruction in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Here I take one input address first I.0 and second I will take this one counter C5 colon 0 and preset value I will choose 10. One more bit I will choose C5 colon 0 slash done, and next I will choose in compare section the first of this limit instruction. Sorry, not this limit instruction. I choose first reset because of when my counter value accumulates the 10, after must be this have to be reset. So C5 colon 0 will be reset after his value accumulation. Third row we will take in compare section that limit instruction, and here I choose for example 3 value for my C5 colon 0, sorry, C5 colon 0, and high limit I choose for example 6 or 7, any value you can choose, and one output I will generate out 2 colon 0 for example, sorry, out colon 2 slash 0. This output address also you can write, and also you can take from here that window and you can place it here, and simply this program download to the PLC. And see, when I give signal to the counter, number 1, still my output is not on. It's waiting for this limit because we put the low limit 3 and high limit 6. Must be this when value of this counter 3 will be reached. This is our accumulating value, and as I give second value and as I give the third value, my output will be energized, and till energized then not reach at the 6, because of which decide that 3 in between 6 our output needs to be energized. So 4 number it's energized, 4th, 5th and 6th also energized. As increase the 6, our output will be closed, and I give the more little 3 bits because of our counter will be reset after 10. See, now our counter is now goes to reset, and this value again starts. Again this value 3 completed, after our output will be on, and as this value greater than 6, after our output will be closed. It's very easy and very simple. You can choose in your program, and logic depends on your own logic. And if you want to make changes online here, for example you want to change this value 3 and high limit and low limit you like to change, simply go to the offline and write it here any data registers N7 colon 5 for example I will take, and here you can low limit, you can choose N7 colon 6 or 7, which any U data register can choose, and again download to the PLC. And here you can now any value if you like to change, for example 4, and minimum value minimum is 4, and high limit if you choose for 6, it will be work for 6 value. 1 signal, 2, 3 and 4. When value reaches at 4, after your output will be energized, and as it reaches at 6, this is 7 signal, this will be closed, and 1, 2 more signals I give to reset my counter. And for example this value now you like to be changes 2 and reach to the between in 8 for example. Now value is 2, our output is on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and as one more signal came 9, after your output will be closed. It's very important instruction and very useful instruction, very interesting instruction. You can use in your program with your own logic. If you not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Any logic, if you have a problem or anything you need from help from me, you can send me message. I will reply you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.